Hi there, this is Mickey, and in today's tutorial we will see how to do the auto tone adjustment in the Photoshop, which give photo or an image, a very good brightness, shadow, and then the highlights if it is missing. So just to do that, we'll go to open, and then I'm going to take this pic. I will double click, or I could have clicked on open too. Now this is the image we got. So the first thing we will do, I will click on this layer, and then I'm going to press Command J or Control J if you're using PC to get the duplicate layer for this background. I could have also right clicked on this layer, and then I could have selected duplicate layer as well, but Command J is the shortcut, and then I will make sure this layer is active. So whichever layer is active, you will see a light gray color over there on the top of that layer, and I'm gonna make sure my layer 1 is active. Now I will go to image, and then I will click on auto tone. Once I'm gonna press auto tone, see how this has effectively made a different change on my image. I can see before and after by just clicking this eye. So this eye means my layer is visible, and if it's not clicked, it's not visible. So this is the one of the best feature you can use, or this is the basics of fundamentals of layers, that if you want to see some layer, just activate it, or you can also deactivate it. You can also keep click and hold here. You can also lock the layers so no one can make any change, or you can't make any change on this layer by mistake. But I'm gonna remove this lock. And the second thing, I'm going to see what is the difference between auto contrast and auto color as well. So I'll make sure I will uncheck this, which is auto tone. I just double clicked on the text, and then I'm going to mention auto tone, enter, and then I made sure this is not visible. Now I'm going to make another duplicate. So I will click on this layer, and then I will click here, duplicate layer. Okay. And then I'm going to change the name to auto contrast, enter, and I will go to image, auto contrast. So see, this is the auto contrast effect we got on the image, and this is the auto tone effect we got on image. Now I will uncheck both of them, and I will press on this layer, Control J, not Control K. So Control J, and then I'm gonna mention is auto color, enter, and then image, auto color. Once I press the auto color, this is the color it got. So, and whatever image is on top, you will be getting that effect on the image. So for an example, I see my auto tone is in the top. Even I activate my auto contrast and then auto color, nothing gonna happen. But if I move my auto contrast on the top of the layer, then I will be getting the auto contrast, but not the tone. Now it is making the difference, right? So you have to make sure what layer is on the top, because that layer will be making effect on the other. We'll talk about in another class as well. We'll talk playing with the different objects, which will make more sense. But if you know a little bit, then this will help you. We can also do one thing. So for an example, now this is the auto tone. I'm going to activate it because this is the effect which is making a large difference. So if this is on, I can decrease the opacity. That means that effect is only applicable that much percent. So for an example, it's 100% now, and if I'm going to decrease it to maybe 0, then it's not making any difference. But if I increase it to 50 or maybe 70 to make it look more natural, or probably 65, you can use that thing too. And then you can merge two layers. Now it is giving me some auto contrast too. So auto contrast, let's make the change of this one too. So it's all about play around, playing with the image, whatever changes you can make. Thank you for watching video. Have a good day.